Okay, welcome back. It is video 4 for the advanced gear crank. So let's take a look at that drawing. So by the way, right now, maybe later I'll have this set up differently. So if so, disregard that in future classes. But right now this is an announcement. And here I've redrawn the drawing so that it's in color, and I've posted the first 3 videos. You might say, well, video 4 is there too. Yeah, but I'm filming it right now, so of course it's not there because this is the past. Not, anyways. So in this video, we're going to work on this section because we've pretty much done everything else. And in some ways, maybe I shouldn't even be filming anymore because hopefully you don't need help here. But in case you do, I'm going to start with a rectangle because I like to use rectangles when I draw. And so I'm just going to start way back here and go like this and hit tab and say 10, because this is 20 wide, but I'm only doing half of it, right? So anyways, so there we go, and I'll just place that down there, and that is that line right there. And you might wonder why I make things so big. I don't know. I really didn't need to do all that, right? So actually, now that I look at it, I'm going to readjust where I make that rectangle because I don't need to erase all that. And I'm going to bring it out this way. I'm going to end it right here. So 5 and enter. No, why did I do that? No, I should use an editor, but no, I'm going to do it again. You might make these mistakes too. I meant to do 10. I don't know why I have 5 in mind. Alright, there. Okay, so that's going to be the line I want. So I do want to get out my trimmer and just give it a little trim here. I don't need that either. I just need this line, right? And here we go. I'm going to mirror this line across. So hit enter across the center line, of course, and there it is. Perfect. Okay. Oops. Let me try that again. Mirror. I forgot to answer the final question. Alright. Now I'm going to do these fillets. There's a fillet here, and there's a fillet here, and there's a fillet. Oh, I messed up in this corner. So to fix that, I'm going to bring this circle back out. Oop. Right from the center. And just bring this back out. Now I have that back. Now I got to trim all that again. Okay, so there's a fillet right here too, which I'm not having so much luck with those. I don't know if it's with an update or whatever. I'm just going to use a little bit different method. I'm going to use a construction line for this, and I'm going to create a circle right at the intersection. And I believe I want this fillet to be 5. So I'm going to make that circle 5. Next, I'm going to make that circle again, and I'll make it 5, but at that intersection. And one more time at this intersection, and go back. That'll be 5. Now finally I'm going to make this the real one. Where those 2 circles intersected to here is what I want. It's not perfect, I know, but okay. Now I hit escape and I click on that and I click delete. I'm pressing delete on my keyboard after I select them, and I'm going to trim. I'm going to trim this away, and trim this away, and trim that away, and that. And I just did that backwards. Yeah, I totally made that the total opposite way. It's supposed to go like this. Ah. Yeah, that's terrible. Alright. Maybe I can edit it out. We'll see. If I don't, sorry. Construction lines. Same thing. Same start. However, I need to focus on where I'm actually doing this. From here to here, and then from here to here. And now is my visible line where they intersect, and I'm going to bring it here. It's 5. I'm not in love with it, but it's going to do. So clicking those, deleting them, zooming in. I don't know why that one turned out so poor. It'll work though. Alright, see? So if I get rid of that, now I have the look I wanted. Okay? Now I'm going to do it in this corner. So, I'll try to, yep. I'll do 5, and then take it back, and then one more, and finally the real one. Ooh. In this corner, right where they connect. Whoop, I'm not in circle mode. I'm having mouse troubles. Okay. Circle. And then there's my 5. All right.